Hey guys, hi everyone, welcome back to my shop. Okay, so today on my work desk is a Makita rotary hammer drill HR2450. And what I will change for it, I will change the clutch spring, I don't know, maybe the flat washer, the gear, clutch gear, the ball bearing from the armature, and the carbon brushes. It's a CB419. So okay, I will throw away the flat washer, old flat washer. Okay, so what I will start from, I think I will start from the ball bearing. Okay, it's a 607 ball bearing, yeah. Okay, now on how to remove it. Okay, I don't know, I have the tool like this. I don't know if it will be good now or not. Yeah, okay, maybe not. So, then second week, you can remove it, so put it the tool like this. Of course, tight it, and you can press it out or knock with a puncher like this one or similar, it's no difference. Okay, and the other way I think I will try to do is to remove the ball bearing with the screwdrivers. Okay, I will try to take out the armature here. Okay. Why the fuck not going out? Okay, I don't want to get hit hard because it's aluminum, so I don't want to break it. Okay, of course, it's a grease here. Fuck. Okay, so I will wrap this once into the paper. Okay. And I will try to remove the ball bearing with a screwdriver. So I will adjust the camera. Other angle. Okay. Okay, now I think you will see everything. Okay, so putting the armature into the vise. Of course, I can put it like this. Okay, don't breaking the armature. Taking two bigger screwdrivers, and I will try to push the ball bearing out. Of course, it's better to get it right in that position. Okay, maybe. I'm not doing that often. Okay. I don't know. Some other people told me that it's easy, but I think it's not easy. Okay, it's not easy for me really. So I think I will do that in my way. I will take this one. So okay, that was just try. Okay, of the technique others told. So okay, maybe if you put it in a vise like that, I cannot do that because of table, and I need to move this one. So, or maybe okay, now I think I will not play with it. Okay, so now we can put it in vise. course it's not very good for my eyes because it's stable here, so okay, I will still try to knock it out. If not, I will press it on the hydraulic press. Okay, it's going. I will hold it with a leg. Okay. So I think this way it's a lot easier. Okay, so just taking the paper out. Okay, getting back to the normal view. Okay, so the ball bearing is out. Okay, I'll install the new bearing. I'll try to do that in a simple way. Just hit it with the head and the hammer. Okay, it's in. So, okay. Enough for a shit. Now we can start to assemble it. Okay, so where's the hammer? Where's the fucking hammer? Okay, the hammer. Okay, here's the hammer. Okay, it's all greasy, so I'm putting it inside. So what I need to do now is a rubber. Don't forget rubber on the ball bearing. Okay, now the tool holder. Okay, so putting the gear on, then goes the spring, then the flat washer, the spring ring. I'm just putting it with my fingers. Now I will take the old gear and press the ring spring down. Okay, it's a little hard. I don't have a lot of strength today. Okay. Sorry. Okay. Yep, you can hear tucked. That means the ring spring is in place. So the old gear goes to the recycle. Okay, it's not all in place, so I will fix it with this one. Okay, now it's in. Double check it. Yep, now it's in. So we can install the tool holder here. Now, okay, check for the missing parts. It's no missing parts, I think. I will put some grease here. Okay, not a lot of grease. Okay. So, mounting everything back, checking if it spins. Yeah, it spins. So, now it's the time for the field. Just beware of the contacts here and here, so of course in a hole for the screws. Pressing the field down, putting in the screws. Okay, dust protection. Okay, now the armature goes in. So, tighten the screws. Okay. I see the one screw is missing. Okay, now it's here. Okay. Okay, so now it's a good time to install the push knob, the switch. Okay, just inserting it like that and spinning it counterclockwise, then pressing down. Of course, checking if it's moving or not. It's moving. Just inserting the protection. Okay, so now we can install the carbon brushes. The second carbon brush. Okay. Of course, now the back cover. Oh, we can check, of course, if you want the hammer. Okay, it's not working now, so I think that it's one of the carbon brushes. I will check this one. Yep, it's going hard. Okay, just try to install it again. Okay, yeah, for some reason it's going not that it should go. Okay, so I'm taking it out, and the easiest way, what can we do now is take the pile and just clean it a little bit. Sometimes that happens, the carbon brush is stuck because of dust. Okay, I will try to install it again. Okay, I will try to press it down. Okay, it's moving, but it's moving not easily. So I will check the holder. I don't know why you are doing that. Okay, so you are going and you are stuck here. Yeah, you can see that it's a little bit damage here on here. So what I will try to do, I will try to stretch it a little bit. I can check if the carbon brush is going in or not. Now it's not going. Okay, I will try to stretch it with the pliers. Of course, it's a weak metal, so be careful with it. Okay, still no. How I can fix you? Okay, maybe now. Okay, now we are going. Of course, I want more and more. Okay, now I think it will be good. Of course, don't forget to unplug the drill when you're doing this. Okay, now I think it's going good. So, I will try to test it again. Yep, it's working. Okay. So, it's working, that's good. Okay, I will close the back cover. Okay. So now it's the time for the chisel or tool holder. It's a spring. So I don't know the plate. Then goes the ball here on the hole. Then the flat washer, the cover, the holding ring. and the cap. Okay, of course the handle. You can clean the tool. Of course, if you want. Okay, I will clean my table. Okay, so that was an easy repair of the Makita rotary hammer drill. It's almost the same for HR2470, 2460. It's almost the same tools. So definitely you can repair them yourself. It's really easy. Of course, if you have questions, please write them. I will be happy to answer them. So, okay, for now, thank you for watching. Of course, please subscribe if you're not a subscriber. Press on advertising because I need a new camera for you to see the better view on my videos. Okay, so for now, thank you for watching and see you in my next videos. Bye.